Monday Minute at Automation Direct. Automation Direct recently added more choices to their cable entry systems from the brand Murrplastik. The addition of the KDL/D Mono Series cable entry system provides the same benefits as the existing KDL/D Series in a round frame form. This series allows a cable to be installed through an enclosure or other bulkhead surfaces with the added benefit that pre-made terminated cables can be installed without disassembling the connectors. The newly added KDP/X cable entry system allows for a high density of non-terminated cables to be installed through a small area of an enclosure or other bulkhead surfaces. The KDL/D Mono Series is available in 3 frame sizes. The KDL/D Series is available in 4 frame sizes. The KDP/X is available in 1 frame size with bolt-in or snap-on mounting. The new Murrplastik cable entry systems are easily assembled, carry these agency approvals, and have a 2-year warranty. Learn more by visiting AutomationDirect.com/cable-entry-system. Click here to see other Monday Minute videos. Click here to see more products from Automation Direct.